Delicious burger. Basagin mo muna yung inumin mo yung sabaw.
Okay.
Parang yung sabaw eh. Yun.
Oh.
Yung sabaw.
Ewan ko kung mag-iisang sasakyan sila, kasya ba sila?
Sarap, no?
It just tastes like nothing. It just tastes like water.
Kasi kung mga tenok lang, malagay ko yung mga ano pa yun, siyempre po yan.
Yan.
Oh, what is that? Look, there's like something there. Wait, no, that's the chick. I can't taste anything.
Harap. Yan ang tigman mo. Kanina wala, tubig lang yun.
Okay, yeah.
Harap, no?
Yeah.
Gusto mo ba ng sabaw? Makapa ako dito?
No, it's okay.
Tama
How do you eat that part?
Isa pa yun mo na to.
No, but then
Inumin mo muna
what's
sabaw.
that?
Inumin mo muna yung sabaw.
Like, what?
Yan lang yung ano, yung egg white tsaka egg red.
Where's the one?
Nung hapon na yun hanggang
Yung pinakamasarap sa lahat yung sabaw.
sigari sabi niya dito lang daw sa bahay. At
Okay.
Sarap, no?
Yeah. But that looks like a brain.
Walang brain yan, ano ba?
Are you sure?
alam ni galing din atang Dallas or ano, pero tutuloy na sila.
But look at that. Oh, it's the yolk,
Ewan ko, the following day,
which is the brain.
Walang brain yan.
Then what's that? Like, why
Yung
isn't it
egg
white?
white.
Why isn't it white?
Kainin mo na.
What?
Maliit nga, wala nga yan yung egg red.
Why isn't it white?
Ano lang yan?
It's the heart, Dad.
Walang heart yan, ano ka?
Oh my
Okay, okay.
god. How do I eat it?
Yan. Sipsipin mo, higupin mo. Dali. Yan kainin mo lang.
What? How do I? No, other way. You have to go like that.
Hawakan mo. Hawakan mo.
Then
Isabel eating balot.
what's this? Like,
That's the duck. Sipsipin mo.
okay ka lang, be.
what do I do? But I don't want to eat that.
Yan nga yung masarap. Dali, tutulog.
Oh, what is it?
Tutulog.
Oh,
Dali,
sorry.
baka malamta dito.
But if I don't know what it is, I'll feel bad for eating it.
It's part of the egg. Lahat yan part ng egg. So, there's nothing.
I don't like egg. No, Dad, you have to do. Yeah, landscape. I don't like egg in the first place.
Eh, that's balot. That's different.
Nasa
Ano?
labas ka?
Ito mo. Tapos, gano'n mo na.
O ano? Anong plan pala? Bukas. Katawag lang ni Karen eh. Tinatanong kung anong oras daw kayo dito.
Trying to stomach this in. Cause I can feel the veins.
Naku, talaga lang 6 AM or PM?
Dad, I don't know.
Balata natin.
Yeah. Okay.
Ano tinan mo? Yung tigas-tigas. Yung mo.
Why? It's hard.
Protein yun eh.
Oh.
Yun yung pinapapak ko dyan ng bata ako.
Okay. Oh man, it's so hard.
O kasi alam mo, start test na ng Monday. Oo. Yan
Man.
yung the biggest test na yan.
Yun, no?
Yup.